Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a mutton macaroni recipe which can be served for lunch, evening snack or even for dinner. I hope you love this recipe of mine, so keep watching. Here I've already kept water for boiling and you can see the water is well boiled. Adding salt to taste, a teaspoon of oil so that the macaroni doesn't stick to each other. Here I've taken 4 cups of macaroni which is of MTR brand. Adding that to the boiling water. Now mix this well or give a good stir so that no lumps of macaroni is settled at the bottom of the vessel. Now I'm going to cook this macaroni until it is completely done. Here I've already pressure cooked 400 grams of boneless mutton which is cut into small pieces. I have not added any salt or spices while cooking the same. Separated it from the stock and I'm going to keep that aside. While the macaroni is cooking, in another vessel I'm going to heat 2 tablespoons of oil and add a teaspoon of minced garlic. Along with that, 2 finely chopped green chilies. Now fry the garlic until it changes its color to brown and releases the burnt aroma. Once the garlic is done, time to add the onions. Here are finely chopped 2 onions. Stir fry the onions until they turn soft and transparent. Once the onions are done, I'm going to add a tablespoon of freshly ground ginger garlic paste and stir fry it till the raw smell reduces. Once the ginger garlic paste is cooked well, I'm going to add the spices. Here I've taken 1 cube of Maggi veg soup cube, 1/4 teaspoon each of turmeric powder, coriander powder, garam masala powder, red chili powder, chaat masala powder and salt. Do add these spices according to your preference. Now stir fry the spices for 30 seconds on low flame. Once the spices are cooked well, I'm going to add the cooked meat and mix this well along with the spices and then fry it on medium flame for 1 minute. At any stage, if you feel the spices are getting burnt or the meat is touching the bottom of the pan, add a little water and mix that well. Once the moisture is released, I'm going to add the pizza pasta sauce. Here I'm going to add 1/4 cup of pizza pasta sauce and then mix it well along with the mutton and cook for a minute. Adding a teaspoon of thick soya sauce and giving that a good mix. Once mixed well, I'm adding 1/4 cup of mutton stock. This is just to help in mixing the macaroni easily. Adding few finely chopped coriander leaves. By this time the macaroni is cooked. I'm going to strain it well and add it over the cooked mutton. Coriander leaves, a piece of herbs and garlic butter, a tablespoon of thick soya sauce. Now mixing this gently. Once mixed well, spread the macaroni evenly and let it turn hot on low flame for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, you can see our delicious mutton macaroni is ready. Give this a gentle mix. And this super easy, super delicious mutton macaroni is ready to serve. I hope you found this video very helpful and easy to follow. Do give this recipe a try and also consider liking, sharing and subscribing to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. See you soon on another video. Take care. Bye-bye.